Welcome to Cruises and Casinos. Today it's Tuesday, March 26, 2024. We are on Enchantment of the Seas. We are approaching 𝐂𝐨𝐻𝐻 Cruise Port. And I guess now we'll finally see what all the construction that has been going on was all about. Last time we were here was last year, probably between 6 and 9 months ago. Don't remember, but I did a video of all the construction that was going on. Unless we're docking in another port in Roatan, I don't remember if there's. I know there's one at Carnival docks in, which is Mahogany Bay, and this would be the only other one that I know about. But if this is the new pier, it certainly could accommodate large ships. Enchantment is not large, but it could probably accommodate Oasis class ship. It's fairly long. Not even seeing the front of it yet from this vantage point. That was the pilot boat, that little boat going across there, a little skiff looking thing. So the plan today would be to head over to West Bay Beach and make an updated video in 4K. Looks like we'll have good weather for that, so stay tuned. So I started filming on deck 5, now I'm up to deck 10. See the front of the ship pulling into the pier. We got Norwegian Prima in port. So this is what was being constructed. There's still construction going on, of course. Looks like an extension of the cruise port itself. Yeah, that's the construction still ongoing. So this is the new pier that was added. It's a huge pier, I mean long, and you'll have to walk in all the way. And over to the left of that new pier, those buildings still under construction. Looks like it's an extension of the cruise port. The cruise port is basically those blue buildings. That's where the duty-frees are. This area over here with those type of a rust color roof, that would be the extension. That's what it looks like. And we are docking in the longer pier, so it'll probably be 2 ships in port today. There is enough room behind us to put another one in. So this is the construction update in 𝐂𝐻𝐻. We're in Enchantment of the Seas, March 26, Tuesday, 2024. We will continue with a walk through the cruise port. Stay tuned.